Intermediate English. Would have and should have.
Story 2.
Real drama.
Scene 1. A divorce possibility.
I refuse to divorce you. And I think we can save it. We can save our marriage yet. Let's just not give up on it, okay? Barbara, I know we have our problems. I know how you feel. I feel frustrated about the situation sometimes too. But no, let's not give up. Let's we can find we can find a way, okay? Let's find a way. Let's find a way. I believe we can do it.
Hey Dad, can you make some popcorn? Is everything okay?
Your mom wants to divorce me.
What? Mom? Is this true? Oh, come here, dear.
Daughter, I'll make the popcorn you asked her.
Yes, things are not working out between me and your dad. But you guys have been happily married for so long. I agree that we've been married for a long time, but I disagree with the happily part. We've been arguing for too long. We should have gotten divorced many, many years ago. We just didn't get divorced because of you and your brother. Really? You can't be serious. You never told us. You should have told us. We were trying to protect you. If you were me, you would have done the same. No, I wouldn't have. If I were you, I would have told my family about it. Who the hell is calling me right now? Oh, it's John. Oh, just don't tell your brother about it yet. I will tell him after his wedding. I don't want to spoil it.
Some minutes later.
Dad, come here. John wants to talk with you now.
Okay, I'm coming. Hey Sam, why didn't you call my cell phone? I tried to, but there was no answer. Oh, crap. I forgot to charge it. I should have charged my phone yesterday. I'm so stupid. I can't do anything right.
You didn't tell your brother about my problems with your dad, did you? No, I didn't. Oh, by the way, I'm not done with you. Why do you really want to divorce Dad? Well, it's just what I told you. We've been arguing too much and we've grown apart.
Dad, are you okay? Well, your mom and I.
Paul, shut up! Paul, you're a moron. You shouldn't have said that. Did you want to spoil our son's wedding?
Well, I couldn't control my emotions. John asked how things were, and I told him the truth.
You should have controlled your emotions. I would have controlled them.
Okay, I agree with you. He's so upset now. I shouldn't have said anything. I should have controlled my emotions. If I could go back in time, I would change what I said. But now it's too late.
The end. Scene 2. The video creators. Talk about the ending.
Eliza, I'm unsure about the video we made yesterday. I wish I could change the ending.
Have you already posted it?
Yes, unfortunately, I've already posted it on YouTube.
Oh, but why would you like to change? I mean, I think the ending was good. It created more tension between Paul and Barbara. You don't need to regret that.
Yeah, but Paul shouldn't have told John about the divorce. At least not yet. I think we should have written a conversation with John doesn't find out about the divorce.
Oh, you may be right. It would have been a good idea to keep it a secret. We could have written some scenes where Paul and Barbara try to hide it from John in future videos.
Yeah, but now it's too late. I've already posted on YouTube.
Oh,
Crap. I should have waited to post it. If I had waited, I would have changed the ending.
oh, come on. Hey, it's not too late. Just remove the video from YouTube, change it, and post it again. It's our channel, after all. We can do whatever we want.
Okay, let's do that.
Scene 3. New ending.
Dad, are you okay? No, I mean, yes, everything is alright. I just forgot to charge the phone. That's all. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, so I'd like to ask you and Ma to give a speech at our wedding. A speech? Yeah, of course. We'd be glad to do that. We'd love to tell everybody what a great son you are and what a great girl Emma is. That would be nice, but I want you and Ma to talk about a happy relationship. I want your love story to be an inspiration for everybody at the wedding. It's amazing how you and Mom have been happily married for all these years. Oh my god, he thinks his mom and I are the perfect couple. But we are so far from that. Actually, we might even get divorced soon. But I can't tell him that, at least not yet.